Our analysis on a very high level is based on the price cycle model. We understand the behaviors of market participants. We understand how the price structure changes, whether it's accumulation distribution, how does the price go into those areas, starting with the change of behavior and then going into a change of character. We spend a lot of time on the trend analysis. We spend a lot of time on the volume and spread analysis and swing analysis. This is our bread and butter. If you want to learn something about trading, you could just literally take that, and to a certain degree, you could be highly efficient and profitable. Sequential bias analysis. This is something that we've developed ourselves in the company in WTC2 class. I'm going to introduce you to that if you become a part of our community and you're going to move through different classes. And obviously, comparative and relative analysis of the asset that you're trading.